Hello students, now we are going to discuss motion under gravity means free fall. This is chapter number 3 and lecture number 6. Motion under gravity means when an object is moving under gravity, under the influence of a gravitational force, then the motion of the object is called motion under gravity or free fall. There is a minimum difference between motion under gravity and free fall. That is, when the object is moving toward the earth and there, if this is earth and this is an object, it is moving toward earth and other force, effect of other force may be present, then this motion is called motion under gravity. Okay. Now second term, that is free fall. When the object is moving toward the earth under the influence of gravitational force only and any other force is not present, means air resistance and any other force is not present. That means on the object only gravitational force is applied, then the object is in free fall. When the other effect of the force is present, then the motion is called motion under gravity. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now one point I would like to discuss: the direction of acceleration. Direction of acceleration. Let us suppose this is the earth surface, and one object is moving. At any time, let us suppose t equals to 0, the velocity is 5 meter per second. The direction of the velocity is this. Let us suppose the direction we have taken, this direction, that is positive direction, means initial velocity is plus 5 meter per second, and after some time, means after let us suppose 2 seconds, the object velocity is let us suppose 12, let us suppose 15 meter per second, and the object is also moving in the same direction. That means v means final velocity is plus 15 meter per second. Okay, let us calculate acceleration. Acceleration is equals to v minus u upon t. V is 15, okay, u is 5 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2, that is 5, and this is also positive meter per second square. What do you mean by this plus sign? This means the acceleration, direction of acceleration is in positive direction, in this direction. Object is moving in this direction. Well, initial velocity is in this direction, means positive direction. Final velocity is in positive direction. Okay, and also acceleration is in the same direction because the velocity is increasing. When the velocity is increasing, that means any force is acting toward the motion, along with the motion. Okay, that's why it is positive. Let us take another example. At t is equals to 0, the velocity is same, let us suppose 5 meter per second, and after t time, after 2 seconds, the velocity will reduce, let us suppose 3 meter per second, means initial velocity is plus 5 meter per second, means initial velocity is in the same direction, and final velocity is also plus 3 meter per second, means in the same direction, means in the positive direction. If you wish to calculate, a is equals to v minus u upon t, that is v means 3 minus 5 upon 2, that means this is minus 2 upon 2, this is minus 1 meter per second square. This negative sign shows that the acceleration is in this direction, means in opposite direction, means here the acceleration is in this direction, means because the velocity is decreasing, object is moving in this direction, but acceleration is in this direction. Here, because the velocity is increasing, means the object is moving in this direction and also acceleration is in the same direction. Okay, hope you are understanding. Means when the velocity is increasing, the acceleration is in the direction of motion, and if the velocity is decreasing, the acceleration will be opposite to the motion of the object. Hope you are understanding. Okay, now one more thing, this is not the discussion of this topic, because I am going to discuss force. You know very well, F is equals to ma. We know that mass is always positive, but mass can never be negative. Okay, mass is always positive, means if acceleration is positive, the force will be positive, means the direction of force is the same as direction of acceleration. Direction of force is in the direction of acceleration. Why? Here you can feel that if the force is acting in this direction, then the velocity will increase, because force is acting. Force is in this direction, that means the velocity will increase, means force is in this direction, that means acceleration is in the same direction. Okay, here you can see that the velocity is decreasing. Velocity of an object will decrease only if the force is in this direction. Object is moving in this direction, the force is in this direction, that means the object will not suddenly stop, it will stop gradually. Okay, the object will stop gradually. First it will decrease its velocity because the force is in this direction, in this direction. Okay, we will see that the motion is in this direction, but the force applied is here in this direction. Means the force is in this direction, that means the acceleration will be in the same direction. Okay, hope you are understanding. This is very, very important to understand the kinematics. If you know the kinematics, you will be able to understand the dynamics. If you know kinematics and dynamics, that means you are the hero of mechanics. Now let us discuss some equation of motion under gravity. We know that V is equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation. When the object moving under gravity, under free fall, then final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus, in place of A, you will put gt. Okay, means here it is acceleration. When the object is moving in, the object is in free fall, then it will be replaced by g, but with the sign, because the object is moving in this direction, means the object will increase its velocity. G is equals to 9.81 meter per second square approximately on the surface of the earth, on the equator. Okay, G is equals to 9.81 meter per second square. That means at every 1 second, after every 1 second, the object will increase its velocity by 9.81. means here when the object is released, the velocity is 0 meter per second. After 1 second, the velocity will be 9.81 meter per second. Okay, and after 2 seconds, 9.81 plus 9.81. Okay, hope you are understanding. Because the velocity is increasing, that means the direction of acceleration due to gravity is this. Direction of the acceleration due to gravity is this. Okay, if you are taking this direction positive, okay, if your choice that means you are taking this direction as positive, the acceleration will be negative. Hope you're understanding, because acceleration is in this direction, velocity is increasing in this direction, the acceleration is in this direction. That means if you have taken that this direction is positive, the acceleration will be negative because you have chosen this direction positive. Okay, now if you have taken this direction as positive, the acceleration due to gravity will be positive. Means sign of UVG, you will take accordingly. First you have to choose which direction you are taking positive. Okay, I will take this direction as a positive, and according to this condition, the acceleration due to gravity will be always negative. Hope you're understanding, because the acceleration due to gravity is downward, and we have taken the upward direction as positive. If I will take direction, negative direction is downward, then G will be positive. But in whole the question, in whole the topic, I will choose up direction is positive, and according to this situation, the acceleration due to gravity will be negative for me only. Okay, now here S is equals to ut plus half at square. Here S is equals to ut plus half gt square. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. Here will be v square minus u square is equals to 2gs. Hope you are understanding, and according to this concept we will solve the problems. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching.